Hey, 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 what's going on? What are you wearing? A beanie? I always wear beanies. No, you don't. It's called the Crazy Cat Podcast for a reason. Cap, hat. Have you lost your mind? It's always been beanie. Even in the game itself. It's the Crazy Beanie Shop. No, can't possibly be. I hate beanies. Yeah, come here, take a look. No. Beanie! Hey, you good, man? You've been screaming all night. I mean, no, after you dropped the bombshell about the beanie, I haven't been the same way since. I mean, I feel like I'm in another dimension. Okay, well, why don't you go on a walk? Yeah, maybe that's a good idea. What is that noise? I stubbed my toe. Okay. Will you guys shut up in here? God damn. It's finally ready. Hey, Slime. Yeah? Hey, I think something's wrong with your YouTube channel. Oh shit, really? What could possibly be wrong?